Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are test driving 2018 Vauxhall Vivaro, which came in with a multiple issues, DPF, Adblue problems. Carry on straight. Sir, what can you tell us about your van? How was it and how is it driving now?
I have to say this van was a wreck. I could hardly do 10 miles an hour, and now look at it, it's flying. And thanks to this gentleman here, he's done wonders for me. And I recommend anyone who's got a diesel problem with his engine should call ICO's DPF Supreme.
Thank you very much. That was a great presentation. Thank you. Right, we're gonna turn left here. This is who we are. We are Moorhouse Garage Limited, or SupremeDPFCleaning.com, located in Westerham, Kent. This is just here. That's the sign. This is our sign, black and gold color, right? We are specialized on diesel particulate filters, EGRs, Adblues, NOx, SCR problems, black or white smoke issues, high fuel consumption and power loss, injectors, turbo problems. We are the masters. We are also Ghost Immobiliser fitting centers and quantum tuning ECU programming center. You can reach me on 07533636194. Please call me when you got one of these problems. And we are also RAC, Recommended Garage Repair Center. And our postcode is Tango November 16 to Echo Tango. Thanks for watching. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.